In this video, I'll show you how to deposit money on Pocket Option with OKX. First of all, you need to log into your Pocket Option account, then go to your profile dashboard and click on your profile icon in the top right corner and go to deposit, or just click finance in the left menu and click on deposit. Right here, you need to select the payment method. In this case, I will show you how to deposit USDT from OKX. And for example, I will choose Tether TRC20 because it's the most popular one. The minimum deposit amount is $30 and you can deposit instantly. You don't need to wait. So let's click on this. Then we need to choose the amount of money we want to deposit. If you have got a promo code, you can tick this and enter the promo code right here and click continue and pay right here, guys. So after that, you need to read this note because it's very important. In order to get your Tether USDT TRC20 payment proceed automatically, use only Tron network for your transfer. Failure to meet one of the requirements will result in loss of funds. So we need to send exactly 100 USDT to this wallet address. We can copy the wallet address, go to OKX, log into our account, and after that we need to hover over assets in the top right and click on withdraw. Right here we need to select the cryptocurrency we want to withdraw. In this example, I'm showing you how to withdraw USDT, so let's choose USDT. After that, we need to choose network. This is very important because this is USDT Tron wallet address, USDT TRC20 wallet address, so we need to choose the Tron TRC20 in network. After that, you need to paste the wallet address. You just copy it from Pocket Option and you need to enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer. But as you can see, if I enter 100 USDT, the network fee will be 2.1 USDT. I need exactly 100 USDT to send to Pocket Option. That means I need to add this commission to my deposit amount. That means I need to enter 102.1 USDT and I will receive exactly 100 USDT on my Pocket Option account. Then click on next button, finalize the transaction, and in a few seconds you can check your balance on Pocket Option. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.